Hi everyone, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. We are so excited to have received our curriculum in the mail. It was on back order and it's here. And so it came really quick, like it didn't even feel like it was on back order. It got here so quick. This happened last time too, but it just still showed up in the matter of about a week or so. And anyway, the curriculum I ordered is from Abeka, and I ordered the kindergarten curriculum, K-5, as well as the second grade curriculum for homeschool. And so this is an unboxing so you could see what is actually sent in these boxes and how they package everything. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up anytime during the video, and comment below if you'd like to see in greater detail any of the materials, because this is just basically an unboxing so you can just see exactly what they are sending. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
It does a really good job packaging their school materials. As you can see, they actually have it very organized, and it actually comes like one box has like the parent kit information, and then the other box is like shrink wrapped really well and has the actual student curriculum, like in this one right here. So this is all the student materials that I just unboxed in this one, and the first one was the parent material. So you see here, this is what came in the Essential Parent Kit, and this is the curriculum lesson plans. I love being able to have the lesson plans to follow and use. I use it for my student. You can kind of see here just a sample of what they send you. The manuscript writing curriculum is great also. Here's the contents, as you can see, and it gives you different ways to teach your kid how to actually handwrite their letters. Some other things that came were learning games, number charts games, phonic charts and games, just supplemental materials that you can have as visuals as you're teaching different lessons to your child. They can touch and feel and see. So it caters really well to a variety of learning styles, as you can see. These are the phonics cards. I thought they were just really beautiful and colorful. I know that my kindergartner loves color and pictures for learning, so I think this is going to be a really fun tool and resource to use for her as she's developing her vocabulary and learning how to read new words. So basically this is everything that came with the kindergarten pack for the parent. This next section is the child kit, and you're getting your numbers and skills book, and I'm going to flip through this so you can kind of get a look and feel of what this curriculum looks like. So colorful pages, numbers addition. So they're going to be learning their numbers and doing a little bit of money. Addition, as you can see, time work. The Think and Learn K-5 book. Let me flip through that a little bit so you can kind of see what's in this. Still lots of colorful pages and activities for your student, and just to get a better idea for you to see what it is. But it's writing, hand-eye coordination, visual perception, listening, thinking, skills, and good character in that book. Letters and sounds is the next one for K-5, and once again, beautiful illustrations throughout the book to kind of grab the attention of your student. I really was able to see getting the K-5 where they're headed, since last year I had the first grade and then the K4. The blend book was great to have, as well as the letter cards, which has pictures and that match the alphabet sounds. These are their little readers, which are so cute. There are 3 different groups of them. There's the I Learned to Read one. You're getting about 3 or 4 books in each section. It starts out with just simple words, and I'm going to flip through so you can kind of see how it progresses through the year. The I Do Read, you kind of see mid-year where they're going to be reading at as you're teaching them according to the lesson plans and as they are developing, to the I Can Read Well section. So as you see here, there's 5 books in this group, and it would start at this level of reading, and just look at the last book for the year, and this is an idea of where your student is going in being able to read. That was a lot of words on that page. Next is Writing with Phonics, the manuscript book. This is just to help them with their penmanship and handwriting. And this is all built into the lesson plans. Now this manuscript tablet seemed to me to be just kind of an extra practice book. A lot of the pages say extra practice. So there's some blank pages in there, and then there's just extra letters for them to practice their handwriting with. This is everything that came in the student kit. So these are all the workbooks and reading books and handwriting tablets that they'll be using. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, guys. Thanks so much for watching.